This one was on yesterday. It's on today and tomorrow. And there's antiques at it, but it's a couple that we kind of know.
Yeah.
So
they're going to be expensive. They would be expensive whether they knew us or not. Well, to be fair,
oh yes,
they're not. It's not just expensive because they know us.
No,
their stuff is just expensive.
Yeah.
They.
So that's why I thought
they put a high value on their things.
It started last night, but I was like, everything's gonna be left, so we'll just go today.
Sounds good. Everything will still be there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Howdy, howdy.
How's your sale been going?
Fantastic.
Yeah, you've been selling lots of stuff?
We even had to bring more stuff out.
Did you?
No way.
Wow.
Loaded up again today. So yeah.
This is cute. The radio.
Oh.
And probably a record player.
People are coming and going in there.
Yeah, ouch.
Fresh blood. Yeah, man.
Wow.
Where are they coming from all of a sudden? Oh. There's a nice little maple dresser. That might be of interest to you.
Oh yeah, that is cute.
That's nice original finish on that. And that's what I was asking
Oh,
about the drawer
good.
pulls.
They're getting you guys.
Yep.
Us.
Does this work?
Don't know.
Oh.
Don't know. It does, the crank's missing.
Oh.
And I mean, it takes a standard crank, but I don't have one.
You'd be surprised how many different size cranks there are.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, maybe.
Yep.
This is kind of
But
nice.
we've also put them on the
But
Oh yeah.
sites.
It's not sterling.
no,
though.
it's not.
And that's what you've started
Oh,
collecting now.
what about that
I
one?
just spotted that when you did.
Oh, it's free.
See the guy over there with the backpack?
Yeah, that's a nice one. That's the Delphite or whatever.
Yeah.
But what are they going to want for it though?
I'll grab it. Ask him.
Ow, ow. Something's biting. Mosquitoes are so bad.
What's your friend price on that one? Marked.
Friend price. And
Yes, dear.
what's your friend price?
What is on it?
Nothing.
Oh,
The
God.
stickers are coming off.
Oh, is that what's going on?
Oh.
See a
We
loose.
put them on last September and they've been popping off all over.
Oh, in
not seeing a
the
loose
cold.
sticker.
No, I didn't see one either, but
Well, hell knows where they end up. His mother was moving shit around.
It was just sitting right here.
Yeah,
Yeah, his mom was moving.
Curious what you wanted for that one.
no idea.
Like $5? Is that all right, Karen?
yeah. And what about these light fixtures?
You want the whole box or you want to find something? Because what I did, I had that and I made a chandelier in our front hall.
Oh yeah.
And
And then these are just what's left?
yeah, those are different pieces.
Okay.
Whatever.
Well, that one's a little bit newer.
Yeah, those are
Oh, yeah.
a little more modern. Some of them are old and some of them are,
Let's see here.
as I said, I bought them up for pieces.
Oh yeah.
It's old.
Yeah, that one's old. Oh, and there's doorknob in there. And a couple glass.
Shades.
Yeah, to go with that one. Well, we might have actually a lot of this. Yeah, I think these ones, and then they're just not old enough though. but they're sure
No, it's a
nice.
couple newer ones.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm not sure what the shade is.
They're glass one. They're for this one, I think. Pink one and a blue one, or
But
green.
Some of them are chain ones.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
these are
that
chain
one's
ones.
chain. Yeah.
They're both chain ones, I think.
No. Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you interested in this piece?
I just don't
I
know.
want to empty the garage. I might get a car in here.
You might.
It never had.
I know it was a big day at our house when we got the car in the garage.
Yeah, it's never been had a car in here, so
Wow.
I have to get by the zip.
Yeah, I just don't know where.
About 4 or 5.
It's really nice though.
yeah, it's original finish maple.
Yeah.
You don't usually see it. You know, we get oak.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
Yeah, it's a real nice one. Yeah, this is nice too. Yeah, too bad about the crank. Like how did that get separated from it? You know, it's pretty neat though.
yeah, I mean, like I'd take $50 for this guy, but you know,
Yeah.
it's just, and I'd probably take 50 for this guy.
I'll have to send a friend down here. She might. What time are you open till?
Till 4.
Till 4?
You're open tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
And then I'm pretty well out of furniture. Except
Did you pay for that?
I did not.
No. Okay.
I'll distract them. Yeah.
Where's your mask?
Victoria.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
We'll
See ya. I don't think there's anybody in here, is there? Oh, why is she in here? She must have a broken hand or something. Okay. Oh, I think I felt a raindrop. We haven't got that thing in the back too.
Huh? Oh yeah, right. It's still there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Oh, I wanted those little things.
yeah. So again, like you can see, like their stuff's expensive. They've got a countertop phonograph there for $100, and he doesn't even know if it works. And
It
it's
doesn't.
missing the crank.
There's no crank.
Well, but it might work if you had the crank. But we don't know.
But I gave Angie's
$100.
Angie's daughter has one without a crank. So I gave Angie the 4 I had to take over, and I said if one works, then just give her that. None of them worked.
None of them worked for
Right.
it. Wow.
That's what I mean. It's like it's not just like
It's not just a standard
it's not
crank.
like well, that's what they said. And
I
that's
know.
why I was like,
He's just
it's
saying.
not.
He's just saying that because he doesn't know.
It's not though. It's not a standard size. Because yeah, the 4 I had and none of them worked. So
I'm glad we got something though.
I wanted
I hope
those.
$5
I wanted those
wasn't too
little.
much money, but
One of those little button things, but
Yeah.
$50.
well, he's got them in his little collector case there at the front, so you know that he values all that stuff
I know.
quite a bit.
And yeah, like I really don't think I could get more than
No,
$50 for that.
no. Oh well.
Original finish, my foot. That was the other thing. I was like, no.
It's been refinished.
Yes. Alrighty.